English Shorthand Theory Questions and Answers. Chapter 28 Suffixes and Terminations. Question number 96. Explain with examples how the suffix ing and ings were written, where the ing stroke cannot be written, or where, if written, an awkward joining would result. A light dot is used to represent the suffix ing as follows. After light straight downstrokes or downward R, a light dot is used to represent the suffix ing. Examples: paying, tying, hearing. After circle ns, after K and G, hooked for F or V, and after an upstroke finally hooked, a light dot is used to represent the suffix ing. Examples: coughing, vanning, prancing. After a half length or a double length stroke where no angle would be obtained by the use of the stroke ing, a light dot is used for suffix ing. Examples: matting, fielding, muttering. Generally, after a contracted logogram, a light dot is used for suffix ing. Examples: remembering, coming, thanking. The dot ing cannot be used medially. Therefore, the stroke ing is written in ingly. Admiring, admiringly. Wherever ing would be represented by a dot, ings is indicated by a dash. Scrapings, windings. Question number 97. Explain how the terminations ality, logical, logically, meant, mental, mentally, mentality, ly, ship were written. Ality, illity, arity, ority, lt, and similar terminations are expressed by disjoining the stroke immediately preceding the termination. Examples: formality, novelty, feasibility, majority. Logical and logically are expressed by a disjoint j. Examples: genealogical, genealogically, mythological, mythologically. Meant is, as a rule, expressed by emald n-ook. If this sign does not join easily, however, the contracted form enalved may be used. Examples: sentiment, agreement, imprisonment, commencement. Mental, mentally, mentality are expressed by a disjoint emald n-ook. Examples: fundamental, fundamentally, instrumental, instrumentally, instrumentality. Ly is expressed by L, joined or disjoined, or the hook L is employed. Examples: friendly, deeply. Ship is expressed by a joined or disjoined ish. Examples: friendship, leadership. Question number 98. Explain with examples how the terminations fullness and lessness or louseness, ward, wart, wort, yard were written. Fullness is expressed by a disjoint fs. Examples: usefulness, carefulness. Lessness and louseness are expressed by a disjoint ls. Examples: hopelessness, schedulousness, ward, wart, or wart, and yard are expressed by a half-sized W and Y respectively. Examples: backward, stalwart, brickyard. Question number 99. Explain with examples how the compounds of here, there, where, etc. were written. Compounds of here, there, where, etc. are written as follows: herein, here on, herewith, therein, thereon, therewith, wherein, whereon, wherewith,